Have you seen what Bitcoin is about to do in this chart? It's something that it's never done in history. A bearish engulfing candle on the yearly chart is something we've never ever done. This would be first of its kind. We've got to cover it. Nobody else is talking about it, and it could be monumental. If you're new here, my name is Steve. Started in the stock market a little over 20 years ago, and I just made every mistake in the book. My ego got in the way. I really thought I knew what I was doing, and I didn't. I was horrific. I made every mistake, and I spent the next 20 years figuring out how to dominate this game. And here I am sharing my knowledge with you so you don't have to make all the mistakes that I did, because I know you're in a similar position right now, and I'm here to help. I started covering crypto right here on this channel in 2017, and our main focus is to help you use your crypto to gain financial freedom. Hit that subscribe button. Now, I want to draw your attention to this chart. You've probably never seen it before. This is the 12-month chart, which means each candle represents 1 year of price action. It's a simple and clean way to look at the market. The first thing that stands out to you is, hey, pretty much every candle is green. Bitcoin on average has earned something around 170% a year. We've had a few red candles, this one, and we're on our third. Keep in mind, this candle hasn't closed yet, but if it does, and it does what we expect to happen, we could have our first ever bearish engulfing candle. Now that's really, really bad, and I want to talk more about what that means, but we've never had one. We've never even come close. The other thing you'll notice is that we went in these stages. We went on this big run here, and then we built our market structure with 1, 2, 3 years. And then we went on our next run, which wasn't as heavy, but then we built our market structure here with the next 2 years, 1, 2. Then we went on this next run, and here we are today. So you can see right away that just with these yearly candles, our growth rate is slowing a little bit. That's fine. What's not fine is this bearish engulfing candle that could be our first ever. Now, here's what I want to say. Bearish engulfing candles, what are they? What do they mean? What do they signify? You have bullish engulfing candles and bearish engulfing. Here are the rules. When you have a green candle, and this is for bearish engulfing, when you have a green candle, the next candle has to be red, and it has to be larger than the body of the one before. An easy way to think about it is, can this red candle eat the green candle? Is it bigger? This one, clearly, the body is a lot smaller. This is not a bearish engulfing candle. Now, if you look at the next red candle we had, bigger body, but still not as big as the previous one. The simple rules are the red body has to be bigger than the previous green body. You can find these on any time frames, and the higher the time frame, the more powerful, the more potent, the more bigger the impact. Now, what we're doing here is we had a small body here, small green body, and right now our bodies are pretty much similar in size, but the year is nearly halfway done. So what are we going to do the rest of the year? It's likely we're going to have more downside action, but the key is, where are we going to close? If we close with the red body bigger than the green body, meaning the red body can eat the green body, that's a bearish engulfing candle. That spells a market reversal. That spells that this will affect the next couple candles. This is big. Bearish engulfing candles are nothing to play with, especially on higher time frames. These signal trend reversals. It means, hey, we were going up in prices. This bearish engulfing candle came. It gave us a warning sign that a trend reversal is coming to the downside. We've never had a trend reversal in Bitcoin on these yearly candles. We've never had it. We built our structure. Here, we built our structure with these 3 years. Beautiful structure so that we can rally in our next bull run. And then we built our structure for these 2 years so we can rally, but we've never had a trend reversal. We've never had it on the yearly. So I wanted to bring this to your attention. Nobody's going to be talking about it, but I wanted to bring it to your attention today. Now, I want to give my opinion on what I think is going to happen. Do I think this is going to play out? Because here we are in the middle of the year. We still have a while to go. What do I think this candle is going to look like at the end of the year? Are we going to have a bearish engulfing candle? And if we do, what do I think the next couple of years will look like? Let's cover those pound for pound. Now, this has been a tough bear market for you. You want to recover your losses. I've taken the last 20 years of trading. I condensed all the knowledge down into the most powerful courses that will help you recover your losses, save a ton of time, save a ton of money, and build for your future. How would that sound? We have CryptoCrewUniversity.com. Our courses are flying off the shelves with this all-in-one because right now we have a major discount because of this bear market. The all-in-one, sign up right here. This is the one that has indicator alerts, trade alerts right to your phone, right to your email, and the courses. Right now in the bear market is time for education. Save money, save time, dominate your trades, recover your losses. Sign up right here and look at the discount with crypto. Knowing that crypto might be in some big turmoil. Right now, when you sign up with crypto, you'll save a ton of money because your crypto portfolio and the value of each coin is going to be cut drastically in the future. It's highly logical to sign up now with your crypto. It has a lot more buying power. So let's go back here and I'll give my honest take. Now, the reality is, over the next 12 months, nobody knows what the hell's going to happen. I'll just be honest with you. We can say there's a probability of this and a slightly higher probability of that and a potential of this. The reality is nobody knows what the hell is going to happen. But what we do know is that there's a little heavier weighted probability that we're going to have more downside action. And if we do have more downside action, we will have a larger red body. But the key is, towards the end of the year, we may find our base, we may start to form our base and start to rally back to the upside slightly. The key is, towards the end of the year, are we going to be above 30K? Now, in a traditional bear market, that would be tough to do in the next 6 months, to go down, to form a base and to try to rally back up to these prices. So if I were to give my honest take, and again, this is not something set in stone, this is not 1000%, I would say there's a little bit higher probability that this might be our first ever bearish engulfing candle than not. That's my assessment right now of the market, knowing where we are right now. Everything will really rely on the price levels of what we do for the next few months with this 28, 29K. When we break that, or if we break that, that's when the floodgates will open and that's when things will get worse. Keep in mind, this is the first ever bear market coinciding with a stock market bear market, which moves a lot of big hands. It moves a lot of money around the world. And when that is in a bear market and crypto is seeing its first ever coinciding bear market, it could be the first ever where we have a little trend reversal. So I wanted to bring this to your attention. It's definitely not set in stone, but we will cover it over the coming months to keep everybody up to date of what's happening with this bearish engulfing candle. Hit that subscribe button, go to CryptoCrewUniversity.com. I'm talking to you. If you haven't signed up yet, this is your time to get your education. My courses have helped mint millionaires. You could be next. We have a lot of success stories. I want to help you recover your losses. Go sign up right here. I'll see you right back here on the next video. Peace and love to the fellow underdogs.